Welcome to this edition of News Bulletin. In the headlines today, let's make RSP a model steel plant of the country, emphasizes CEO, Rourkela Steel Plant. Plasma donors felicitated at SAIL RSP. And daughter of RSP employee excels in JEE Advanced Entrance. Now the news in detail. Let's make our SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant a model plant in the country, said Mr. Deepak Chattaraj, CEO, while addressing in a session of mass contact exercise held in virtual mode on 7th October. The session was attended by Mr. P.K. Dash, ED Works, Mr. Rajveer Singh, ED P&O, Mr. D.K. Mohapatra, ED MM, Mr. B.K. Hota, Director MNHS, Mr. Praveen Nigam, CGM F&A, Mr. S.K. Behra, CGM Projects, and about 100 employees, including executives. Speaking on the occasion, Mr. Chattaraj elaborated about the record-breaking performance of many units of the steel plant in the recent past. We have to prevent breakdowns and reduce the downtime of several units so that we can upscale our plant from good to better and thereafter to the best, he stressed. The CEO also exhorted the participants to come up with new ideas for process optimization and cost reduction, which will make RSP the best plant in the steel industry. Mr. Chattaraj also discussed about the ongoing and upcoming projects in RSP, detailing about the effective mechanism and necessary health infrastructure put in place by RSP to efficiently combat the COVID-19 pandemic. Mr. Chattaraj thanked various departments that have gone beyond their normal framework of responsibilities and extended remarkable service in RSP's fight against the disease. The CEO also thanked all the stakeholders, including the administration, government agencies, trade unions, and executive association, who have been extending support in this regard. Stressing upon the importance of organizational and individual safety of employees as well as contact workers, Mr. Deepak Chattaraj said that in the new normal situation, we have to use extra PPEs like masks and sanitizers, apart from the regular ones like helmet and shoes. Speaking on the occasion, Mr. P.K. Das called upon to improve the techno-economics and rationalize important resources like power, coal and coke, etc. He also discussed about the targets set for the month of October. Mr. Rajveer Singh emphasized on adherence to the guidelines related to COVID-19 pandemic and use of COVID app developed in-house by RSP by the employees. In his address, Mr. D.K. Mohapatra praised the employees for registering record-breaking performance and sustaining the good works. Dr. B.K. Hota spoke about the various measures to be taken for improving immunity, while Mr. P. Nigam discussed about the reducing the cost of production so as to improve profitability. Mr. S.K. Behra briefed about the status of various projects being undertaken in RSP. At the outset, Mr. H.N. Pati, GM HRD, welcomed the gathering. An interaction session held on the occasion witnessed employees from the various departments spelling out their thoughts and suggestions to bring in improvements in their respective areas of work while braving the COVID-19 pandemic. Each of these suggestions was addressed by CEO, who encouraged the employees to be forthcoming with even more fresh ideas. Mrs. Rajlakshmi Acharya, Senior Instructor, HRDC, who attended the session, also proposed a vote of thanks. In separate functions organized at different departments, the plasma donors of SAIL RSP were felicitated by CGMs and HODs of respective departments. In a function organized recently at HSM Conference Hall, Mr. P. Murali, CGM in charge Hot Strip Mill, felicitated Mr. Indramani Nayak, Assistant Roller HSM1, for donating plasma. A similar function was organized at Coke Ovens Conference Hall, in which Mr. I. Rajan, CGM, CO and CC, felicitated Mr. Smruti Ranjan Ojha of CCD Electrical. The employees had donated plasma at Plasma Bank of IGH after going through the requisite screening process. Earlier, both of them have braved the coronavirus and with effective medical management recovered from the deadly disease. The duo expressed their pleasure over the plasma donation and termed it as bliss after the traumatic experience of COVID-19. It is worth mentioning here that plasma-containing antibody collected from the cured patients of COVID-19 has been proved to be a lifesaver in the case of many critically ill COVID patients. Plasma donation is a safe and simple procedure. So efforts are afoot to motivate eligible COVID-19 survivors to come up for the same. Antibody screening test of recovered patients is being done at IGH Plasma Bank to detect potential plasma donors of the district. Ms. Chinmay Behra, daughter of Mr. Dhiren Kumar Behra, SOST, Steel Melting Shop 2, has bagged All India rank 522 in JEE Advanced examination. Chinmay has opted to pursue computer science in IIT New Delhi. A student of St. Joseph Convent School, Hamirpur from 2007 to 2016, Chinmay shifted to Kota in class 9 after receiving a scholarship. In 2016, she had topped Odisha in Junior Mathematics Olympiad and in 2017 bagged the NTSC scholarship. She had also qualified in the Kishore Vaigyanik Puraskar Yojana scheme held in 2018. Chinmay had secured 97.6% in class 12 in CBSE board and 99.93 percentile in JEE main entrance. She has also been selected to take admission in Indian Institute of Science, Bengaluru. That's all for today's news. Namaskar.